morning. We are still here in Iguazu. We're at the Cataratas Hotel and just kind of taking it easy today. So before we have to go to Buenos Aires tomorrow, we're just going to hang out. So I'm at the point right now where my mind is getting confused between Spanish and English. So sometimes I think Spanish and sometimes I think English. That's good because I've been here long enough. But that's all I know. We're going to go in the jungle a little bit later and go for a walk. So we'll see what's out there. And right now I'm just sitting at the pool. Okay, we're gonna go into the jungle. So supposedly there's Coati here, and they say that there's also monkeys, but I've never seen a monkey here. And I asked one of the people and they said they haven't seen one either, but apparently monkeys do live in this area. Listen to the sounds of the jungle. It's fun being in the jungle and hearing the birds and all the other sounds. Just as long as we don't hear the sound of a puma. I like the ground cover here. This looks like something that you'd see in your house. Check this out. Oh, it's a good thing my camera wasn't on because there was an animal in the bushes. I don't know what it was, but it moved as I got close to the bush, and I screamed and it ran off, and I don't know what it was, but it was maybe a coati or something, but it was I think it was sleeping. It was hiding in the bushes, and it's hiding again, and that's good. Yikes. That's the end of our jungle walk. After I saw that animal, I kind of walked faster than normal the rest of the way because I don't know what that was. And who knows in the South American jungle what that could be. And I'm not going to find out either.